In the last video, we talked about how our nervous system is organized. Now, let's dive into the structures of our nervous system. Let's start with our central nervous system. Remember, that's our brain and our spinal cord. The spinal cord serves as an information highway running along your back, connecting your brain and your body. The brain is broken into four major regions. In the very back of your brain, you have a structure called the cerebellum, and this usually is thought to help with balance. The majority of the brain volume is taken up by your left and your right cerebral hemispheres, or your cerebrum. This is the part of the brain that houses a lot of the functions that we think about with our brain, things like visual processing, hearing processing, movement, planning, decision making, the human stuff. Our cerebrum is broken into four lobes: the frontal lobe in the front, the parietal lobe on top, the temporal lobe behind your temples, and the occipital lobe in the back. Deeper into our brain, we have an area called the diencephalon, which is home to a structure called the thalamus that acts as a relay center for sensory information. So as signals come from all of our senses, our vision, our hearing, they're going to pass through the thalamus, and the thalamus will then direct those to the appropriate part of the cerebrum. So say visual information, you go to the part of the brain that deals with that. Hearing, you go over there. The diencephalon also houses our hypothalamus, the area that works with our autonomic nervous system to maintain homeostasis, or proper balance for things like temperature and water. It's also called our animal brain because it regulates our deepest emotions, things like anger and lust. At the very base of your brain, where it meets your neck, you have something called your brain stem. This is a highly protected structure because this is where we have key functions like breathing and consciousness. So in this video, we covered the parts of the brain mainly. And in our next video, we will talk about our senses.